Good morning, my kids. Welcome to my classroom. This is Miss Sarah with you. Today, we will learn about letter W. Say good morning to letter W. Good morning, letter W. This is a capital W and this is a small w. Repeat after me. Capital W, small w. And now let's make the letter W sound. The sound of letter W is W, 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 W. Let's learn some vocab about letter W. W is for watch, watch, w, w, watch. W is for water, water, w, w, water. Watch, water. Let's continue. W is for wow. It's a window, window, window. W is for wallet, 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 wallet. Window, wallet. W is for watch, watch. W is for water, water. W is for window, window. W is for wallet, wallet. W watch, W water. W window, W wallet. As usual, there is a tip for you. People, animals, and plants need water to live. We all need water to live. Okay, thank you. See you later.